And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. Back with another video. If y'all watched my last video, man, I finally got me two big ass beasts of a battery, man. Like, those batteries are beasts. And I'm gonna give y'all a quick demo. I did not take the time to film me installing the first clip. If y'all pay attention to my voltage and the volume on the CD player, I actually was able to take the CD player up to like 30 or 31, volume 30 or 31. I haven't touched the amp, everything's still the same, but the batteries are actually, well, that one battery is actually holding that amp pretty well, man. So I'm very, very anxious to see what it's gonna do once I put this battery. Once that battery goes under the hood and I actually hook up the other battery, I'm kind of anxious to see what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a fucking beast, man, for real. Well, it's a beast right now, y'all about to see. Hopefully y'all be able to tell the difference from watching my old videos to now. Like, it actually sounds like you sitting inside an SUV or something. It don't even sound the same. I'm gonna leave it like that. But if you're here watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, be notified every time I upload a video, y'all. This gonna be a short, sweet video, kind of straight to the point. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm about to flip the camera around, take y'all to the trunk, show y'all how I actually ran the batteries in the back, and you know, let y'all see what I got going on. Then I'm gonna play the clips or whatever, man. If y'all rocking with this video, man, you know what I'm saying, drop a like, leave a comment. You know somebody that like car audio or something, man, tag them in the video, share it, whatever you got to do, y'all. Please help continue to grow the Bass Addict family, y'all. I appreciate everybody that rocking with me. I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the ones that been subscribed to me since day one, you know what I'm saying. We growing slowly but surely, but we on our way, y'all. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. This your boy Bass Addict, baby. Alright, as y'all can see, this how I got the battery set up. This the only one that's hooked up at this time. Like I say, y'all got to excuse my wiring, man. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up, man. It could look and be way more organized than it is, but as y'all can see, this one is not hooked up. I had to go to the hardware store and get some more screws for them or whatever, because when I got them, they didn't have none, so I got brand new screws in them. But yeah, basically this is what I got going on, and this the only one that's hooked up besides the battery that's under the hood. And like I said, I'm gonna be changing that out too, y'all. But this do not even sound like the same system, y'all. Let me zoom out. This do not sound like the same system, y'all. They don't even sound like the same subs or amp, man. I promise to God, that battery is putting in work, y'all. I'm hearing my system like I never heard it before. And there's no exaggeration, y'all. There's really no exaggeration, man. Like, this mother is on another level. I'm gonna show y'all give y'all a little demo and let y'all be the judge. Comment below in the bottom of the video and let me know if y'all able to even hear the difference, even in the camera. Even though I know this camera does bass and loud noise, no justice, but drop a comment below and let me know if y'all can tell the difference just by the voltage, by my voltage, and by the way it coming through on camera now, man. Like, it's ridiculous. And I did put this back. up there, because if y'all don't know, I had took that out. I put that back up there just to add a little more mass to the trunk, man. You know, try to cut down a little rattling. Well, hoping that it'll dampen some of that rattling a little bit, and it does. Not much, but it does. So I put that back up. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, y'all. Check the video out. If y'all like it, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know if y'all can tell the difference, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get this thing rocking. And then when they ain't even hooked up yet.